What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video here, and got this package in from Danny and Gray's Cards and Toys. And he was going down to the Lionel store down there close to where he lives, and had him check on something for me, and he picked it up. Everything came packaged. I was in some NASCAR breaks, and we'll look at these cards and we'll check out the car. Not going to go into a whole lot of detail. If you guys want to watch, he did a review of this car on his channel, but I'll show it on mine and explain to you why I got it. We'll get into the cards from the breaks that I was in. Everything comes packaged well. Hope everybody's staying safe out there. We currently are still working here. The place I work, they deemed it essential, so we're still keeping on for now. Let's see how I want to do this. Okay, we'll start off with the certified, I believe, first. I like that card there on the front. We got Kevin Harvick, Brandon Gaughan, I think that's how you pronounce that. Christopher Bell. I don't have too many Christopher Bell cards, so got a Jimmie Johnson, Denny Hamlin Race Kings. That's cool. Got a David Ragan. One of the more friendly NASCAR drivers. He signs a lot for fans. Real cool guy. And we go from David Ragan to this guy. What is up with that look that's always on his face? I mean, I don't know if it's... I mean, it's just like he looks miserable. I don't know. Oh, Ryan Blaney. That's awesome. Got a Jamie Mack. I think that's a base, yeah. Got Ty Dillon. Jeffrey Earnhardt. Really like Jeffrey. We got Kevin Harvick card. Outback car there at the bottom, and the Jimmie Johns at the top. That's cool. Martin Truex Jr. That's a cool card. Got Kyle Larson, Manny's man. And we got here Casey Kane. Another Jimmie Johnson. Got a Ryan Newman. Got a Chad Knaus. I think that may be my first card of Chad. So we got a Clint Boyer purple. Alex Bowman Contenders ticket. And I did get a hit. This Daniel Suarez, which I think I have two more of these that I got in those blasters there around the holiday. But cool to get a hit nonetheless. We got from Donruss the Fat Pack break. Got a nice chunk of cards here from 2020 Donruss. We got Bobby Allison, Riley Herbst. Don't know a whole lot about him. Bubba Wallace, who I met last fall. Cool guy. Carl Edwards. Ross Chastain, who always seems to be in a good mood. Kurt Busch. Got Austin Dillon throwback card. That's cool. That's neat. Got another Bubba Wallace. Carl Edwards. Riley Herbst. Some repeats there. Denny Hamlin card. Corey LaJoie. Kurt Busch. Ryan Truex. Tony Stewart Race Kings. Ryan Blaney. Austin Dillon. That's a cool looking card. Riley Herbst again. Throwback 87 throwback design. Another Bubba. Justin Allgaier. Chase Elliott. That's cool. Too bad it wasn't the Optic Hollow. That's the last one I need to complete the set. So we're still searching for that card. Danica Patrick. Ryan Blaney. Austin Dillon. Another Chase Elliott. Another Danica Patrick. There we got a blue of Danica Patrick. Carolina Blue. There's old Rowdy. Kyle Busch. We got an Aero package of Denny Hamlin. A silver or gray. A silver or gray Ryan Truex. A silver or gray Danica Patrick, working on the rainbow there. Nice Earnhardt Jr. I like that. That's cool. We got some Optic. Hollow of Kurt Busch. We got a checkered of Kyle Busch. Elite Series. It's nice. We got a Jimmy Johnson Dominators checkerboard. That's cool. There's a Kyle Busch Optic. Actually, two of them. Got a Jesse Little. Is this Optic? Yeah, Optic rated rookie. Or is that base? I think that's base. Two of those. We got a Rowdy Blue Pulsar Illusions and William Byron Blue Pulsar Illusions. So that was the Donruss Fat Pack break that I got into. Then we got this little pack here. Okay, it says Tim trade for track diecast. Okay, this is cool. For the all the truck diecast, Ross Chastain. Okay, yeah, this be fine. Chris Buescher. That's cool. Nice Jimmy Hensley. Didn't have anything of him signed. Got a Hermie Sadler. I don't think I have anything of him signed, so that's awesome. David Reagan. I won't complain about getting an autograph of David. And a Morgan Shepherd autograph. So that may be my first Morgan Shepherd autograph. So that's awesome. Thank you, Danny. I'm happy with that. I'm glad you could use that truck diecast that I picked up for you. And now we're going to get into this diecast card. Now, last year we went to 2 races, both Richmond races, and with that new DC Solar Grounds pass that you can get, I believe it was $50. It's really a lot of fun. They have a walkthrough there in the garage area. You can also view the driver introductions, which is a pretty wild, awesome time. And you can also go down there to Victory Lane after the race, or while the race is going on, you can just stay in there. But I mean, I don't know why. I mean, I guess some people do, but if you bought a ticket, you probably want to take advantage of your seat for a while, I guess. But we decided to go down there with about 100 laps to go, just in case our driver Kevin Harvick would end up in Victory Lane. He didn't win, but we were down there for this guy's victory. In the spring and in the fall, I do have the fall car pre-ordered, but I thought I would try to pick this one up. And luckily, the 2019s were on sale. All 2019s were on sale. Danny had let me know that when he went down there, and they only had one of these left, I believe is what he told me. I was like, yeah, go ahead and pick it up. When they go back to racing, hopefully sooner than later, but I think right now is the time to be precautious with this coronavirus and everything going on. You really got to be patient, because this stuff is bad and it can be deadly. So we don't want to get people sick. And it is the number 19 Auto Owners Insurance Richmond Win car. That's what's going to focus there. One of 541. So that is awesome. We'll take this out and look at it. Now, in the spring, I had still had my old camera, and I didn't get a whole lot of pictures down there because it crapped out on me. And I know what a time for it to crap out when you're at Victory Lane. But I did make up for that in the fall, and I still need to do a recap from those races, what we got signed. And there you get the Race Win sticker, which is pretty awesome. There we go. That was April the 13th, 2019. So that is sweet to give you a little thing there about the victory and all. If you want to read that, guys. It was Truex's first victory of 2019. And his first as a driver for Joe Gibbs. So we'll take a look at this diecast. It's pretty awesome. These Race Wins cars, if there's like damage to the car or anything like that, they replicate it. I like how this comes on a base too. This is my first Lionel car, so we'll just check this. See, there's like, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but there's like debris on the hood. And another thing, when he did his burnouts, he actually popped the tires, so there is no back tire. So that is cool. That's interesting. I like that. It does have opening roof flaps there. That's a little stiff there in the back. See if I can get that up. Well, we'll just leave it down. Don't want to. Auto Owners Insurance. Little tire rub there. Everything's been replicated to how the actual car looked at the end of the race. So that is pretty awesome. I like that. That's neat. So there is a look at the 2019 race win at Richmond, the Toyota Owners 400 winner. And we did end up getting Martin Truex's autograph down there in Victory Lane, as well as his crew chief, Cole Pearn. And I also got, in the spring, I got the president of the track's autograph as well down there. So I'll show them in a video, guys, when I recap stuff from the race. But that is awesome. I thank you, Danny, for picking that up for me. You didn't have to do that. I bet that is an awesome store down there, the Lionel store. But that's going to do it for this video. I thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.